Yeah! Woohoo! What's up?
Thank you! We love you!
With us, we just recognize your presence with us. We recognize the peace and the love that you have for us, Lord.
Three, sir. Four, sir. 5, sir.
And 6.
6, sir.
Go!
Yeah!
Let's do 2 more reps of that. Ready? Get some palm heel hammer sprinkles. Everyone, you doing? Ready? And go!
Yeah!
And if you watched that last time, ready? Everyone, you doing? Ready? And go!
Yeah!
Oh my goodness! She's amazing! Oh man! Okay! We didn't wait for the 3, 2, 1. What are you doing?
I want to do something cool, but
3, 2. Oh!
I'm glad.